All right, I want to show you kind of just a little mini kind of setup or configuration that I was recently asked to set up for another customer. And this is within our employee self-service catalog and portal application. And this is our version 3. It's Helsinki. It's built on the service portal. And what we were asked to do is we were asked to add kind of a drop down of options in the menu, as well as I hover over the menu item to show that drop down of items. And so our initial kind of default install kind of looks like this, where it's just a top level list of menu items, no submenu items, and no hover drop down of those. So let me show you quickly how we added that option. So the first thing is you want to add kind of the menu items or the submenu items under a particular top level menu item. So I'm going to go to our portals and specifically our ESS and catalog application. And I'm going here just to get to the main, what is the main menu that's defined on this particular portal. So I know I'm working with the right menu record. And so in here I'm going to go to like our status menu item, and you'll see as I click into here, there are no sub menu items here. So let's add a couple of these just so there'll be a kind of list of drop down items under this status menu item. And I'm going to create one called My Requests. And we'll have this route to our check status page. Save that. Just use this as our template, create a My Approvals. That goes to the My Approvals page. I will increment our order just so it orders it appropriately. And let's add a third one. We'll call the third one My Assets, which will go to the My Assets page. And we'll insert that. Okay, so now we've got 3 submenu items. Now when I refresh our portal over here, there's now a visual indicator that this item has some submenu items, and when I click on it, it'll show those submenu items for me to navigate to the My Request, My Approvals, or My Assets. So the other part of this request was to have that shown, so when I hover over this, that it'll show those items for me to select from. So to do that, we're going to go to our configuration section of our service portal, which I can get to this through the portal configuration, or I can also get to this from my shortcut of service portal settings. And the widget I want to edit, this is since we're in our Metro style theme, the record or widget I want to edit is actually the Metro header, and that encompasses the logo and the title bar, but also that menu at the top. And really what I want to add here is really one new style to this particular style sheet section, the CSS section of this. And what I want to add is a drop down. So on hover of our drop down element, go find the next sub element of drop down dash menu and set the display to block. And that should be all I have to do in order to give that hover action to revealing our submenu whenever I hover over the top level menu. So let's test this and see if it actually indeed works now how I expect it to work. So now when I hover over our status, you'll notice it's now showing me my sub items. When I hover off, it hides them. So that's working like I expected to work. So I hope this helps in terms of seeing how you can add submenu items to our existing menu, but also add some style sheets to the theme header to be able to add that behavior of hovering and revealing the submenu on hover. Thank you for your time.